Understanding legal rights, privacy, and global laws is essential for anyone practicing street photography today. While street photography often takes place in public spaces, the rules that govern what you can photograph and how you can use those images vary widely around the world. This lecture simplifies the legal landscape so you can photograph with confidence and responsibility. At a basic level, many countries allow photography in public spaces. If a person is visible from a public place, photographing them is often legal. However, legality does not automatically mean unrestricted use. The purpose of the photograph matters just as much as where it was taken. One of the most important distinctions is between editorial use and commercial use. Editorial use includes art, journalism, education, and personal projects. Commercial use involves advertising, promotion, or selling a product or service. In many regions, using a recognizable person in commercial work requires a model release, even if the image was taken legally in public. Privacy laws introduce another layer. Some countries place strong emphasis on an individual's right to privacy, even in public. Images that portray people in a humiliating, misleading, or invasive way can lead to legal consequences. Bathrooms, hospitals, schools, and private property open to the public often have additional restrictions. In the United States, street photography is generally protected as free expression, especially for editorial and artistic purposes. In many European countries, privacy protections are stronger, and photographers must be more cautious about publishing identifiable faces. Other regions fall somewhere in between. There is no single global rule. Children are almost always protected more strictly under the law. Photographing minors may be legal in some public contexts, but publishing or monetizing those images can create serious legal and ethical risks. Extra caution is always advised. Another important concept is reasonable expectation of privacy. Even in public, if someone is in a vulnerable or sensitive situation, publishing that image may be legally risky or ethically wrong. Laws often support the individual in these cases. Street photographers should also understand property rights. Public spaces are not the same as private property open to the public. Shopping malls, transit stations, and office buildings may restrict photography even if they feel public. Security or staff can legally ask you to stop or leave. Because laws change and vary by country, responsible photographers stay informed. Research local regulations before traveling. When in doubt, err on the side of respect. Calm communication and cooperation prevent most conflicts. Ultimately, legal knowledge empowers creativity. When you understand your rights and limitations, you can focus on storytelling rather than fear. Street photography thrives when freedom is balanced with responsibility. This lecture is not legal advice, but a foundation. As you continue your journey, staying informed and respectful will protect both you and the people you photograph.